Hello guys, hope y'all are fine. Headphones not working or headphone jack not working. How to fix a loose headphone jack. Okay guys, in this video we will see how you can solve a problem of your headphones which is not getting inserted in your mobile phone. It could happen because of small dust particles enter your phone where you insert the headphones. So we will try to clean that part with the help of cotton. We will try to insert a cotton like this and we will try to rotate in the clockwise direction, and after some time we will try to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. And yes guys, please don't insert a needle here because it could damage your phone. So if this method is not working out, there's a method number 2. So first try this method. If it's not working out, the method number 2 is you will have to take a toothpick. Yes guys, you will have to take a toothpick and insert inside this to take out small dust particles. Even this can damage your phone, but you have to do it very carefully. So we will try to insert carefully and try to take out small dust particles which could make our headphones not to work properly. So try this method, it will surely help you because this method helped me solving my problem. And yes guys, if you have found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe this video, and see you all in my next video. This was it in this video. Till then, please be safe, take care, bye bye.